Hello and welcome to Coloring History, and today we're going to draw a Mexican engineer, Guillermo Gonzalez Camarena. Senor Guillermo Gonzalez Camarena was responsible for inventing the color television, and at the end of this art lesson, this is what he should look like. So let's get started by making his face. We are going to make a large U shape like this. Let's make his ears by going out like this and doing the other side. Next, we're going to make a curved line going up like this, and let's do the other side. This is his hairline, and let's make a horizontal line. Next, let's make a large curved line right here, and then a smaller one that goes from here to the other ear. Let's make a horizontal line for the glasses, and let's make two rectangles, one for each eye. These are the lenses. And let's make a dark circle inside each rectangle, which are his eyes. And let's make his eyebrows like this, and a small rainbow for the nose. Let's make a wavy line for the mustache, and a upside down wavy line for the mustache. And let's shade it in. Let's make a U shape for the mouth from here to here underneath the mustache. And let's make a little curved line for the tongue from here to here. All right, let's make his body, and we're going to do something called overlapping. Overlapping is when one shape or object is placed in front of another. It adds more layers to the picture, and we're going to place the television in front of Guillermo Gonzalez Camarena. So let's make the television by making a rectangle. So we're going to make a vertical line like this, and then a horizontal line like this. And then we're going to come down and make another vertical line, and then a horizontal line. And let's make another rectangle inside this outer rectangle by making a vertical line like this, a horizontal line like this, a horizontal line like this, and connect. This is the television screen, and old-fashioned televisions had two knobs usually, one for the power button and the other to switch stations. And old-fashioned televisions, of course, had antennas. So we're going to place an antenna that looks like a V shape, like this. And this is where we're going to see the overlapping. So we are going to make a curved line. We are going to make a suit from here to here. So let's make a curved line like this, from here to the television, and another curved line from here to the bottom of the paper like this. And let's make the lapel, which is the flap of the suit that men wear. So first we need to make two vertical lines. Let's make a vertical line here underneath his face. And let's make another one. And let's make the lapel, so we're going to come out like this on the bottom of his face, and then come in. Let's do the other side. We're going to go out like this, and then come in. And boys and girls, if it's, let's say if your line touches the television, that's okay. That's overlapping. Just continue and hit the vertical line. All right, so next, we're going to make the bow tie. So we're going to make two lines like this, one here and one here, two vertical lines. And then we're going to come up like this, and then make another diagonal line to here. And so we have the bow tie. And let's make his arm, just one arm here on this side. We can't make one here because the television is covering his other arm, which is overlapping. So we're going to make a vertical line right here to show that his arm is right here. And we are done drawing Guillermo Gonzalez Camarena. The next thing we need to do is color. As you can see, these are the colors that I used. I hope you had fun coloring history. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.